So for number 5, is it quadratic or is it not a quadratic? So again, you do the difference, and you do the difference of the differences. So again, you have to be very consistent. So if you say, let me see, I'm going to do, what is it? Right minus left. Okay, I think I can see. I want to do big number minus small number. So when you do right minus left, -5 minus -24, that is -5 plus 24, which gives you 19. Okay. 2 minus -5, which is 2 plus 5, which is 7. 3 minus 2, it's 1. 4 minus 3, it's 1. And then 11 minus 4 is 7. Okay. So it seems like there's a little pattern right here, but they're not the same. So we know it's not linear. And then we will go ahead and do another subtraction here, and we say, yeah, what is the subtraction? So 7 minus 19 would be negative 12. 1 minus 7 would be negative 6. 1 minus 1 would be 0. 7 minus 1 would be 6. Okay. So if you look at this, you're like, yeah, they're not the same thing either. So then we can conclude that it is not quadratic. Okay, so we can stop right there. Okay, we can stop right here. But can you see anything special? Can you see anything special right here with the second row? Well, so if you actually go one more layer and say, I'm curious, let me just go ahead, do one more subtraction. And minus 12 minus -6, that would be -12 plus 6 would be -6. -6 minus 0 would be -6. 0 minus 6 would be -6. So if the third difference is the same, this is actually what we call a cubic function. We will learn it in the second semester. Okay, but that's how you actually see the pattern. So linear equation, the first difference would be the same because you have a same consistent slope. Quadratic, the second difference would be the same. Cubic function, the third difference would be the same. And you can keep pushing the logic right there. All right, so that's not quadratic. It's actually a cubic function.